In this video, I'll be showing you how to perform a software update on your Huawei Band 11 Pro. So now all you need to do is simply open up the Huawei Health app and select your band. And then you want to scroll and select Firmware Update. From here, wait for it to check for any available software updates. And if there's an update available, just go ahead and tap on Download an Update and wait for it to be completed. And then after it's downloaded, it will transfer the update to your watch, sorry. So go ahead and wait patiently. And once it's finished transferring, just tap on finish to finish off the process on your phone and wait for it to complete the installation on the band itself. During this process, your band will be disconnected from the Health app, but don't worry, as soon as it's done, it will automatically reconnect. You can see here it's going through the restart process, so just wait patiently. And once it's complete, it should start automatically reconnecting to your phone. If it doesn't, you can always just tap manually on reconnect to establish the connection. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.